वो एक एक्टर हैं, कमाल के एक्टर हैं, और कुछ एक्टर होते हैं मेरे जैसे, जिनको हर डायरेक्टर का दरवाज़ा खटखटाना पड़ता है और हर प्रोड्यूसर के सामने हाथ जोड़ने पड़ते हैं और कहना पड़ता है कि हमें ले लीजिए आप। पर कुछ एक्टर ऐसे होते हैं जो बस अपने घर में ही बैठते हैं और पूरी दुनिया के लोग उनके यहाँ आके उनके खूबसूरत घर के बाहर दरवाज़ा खटखटाते हैं और उनके लिए यहाँ आकर फिल्म शूट करते हैं, और बस वो कहीं नहीं जाते, पर वो यहाँ आए हमारे सामने आज। तो विक्टर सर, प्लीज़, I would like to request you to deliver welcome address.
अंग्रेजी जंदई, जंदई चाहो, जैसे आपको अच्छा लगे। नहीं, आई एम गिविंग यू one line in Garhwali. Yes. Hari Om, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Chief Minister Ji, our great Mr. Satish Sharma, and Farooqi Saab, and Mr. Grover, Honorable gentlemen on the dais, and ladies and gentlemen. I am an actor, surely, and I live in Uttarakhand, in Mussoorie, and I live next to a graveyard, Kabristan ke baaju mein. So I have the best neighbors. They don't have any parties, they don't make any noise, कुछ नहीं, चुपचाप 600-700 रहते हैं वहाँ। और टूरिस्ट भी, आप लोग सब चाहते हो मिस्टर कि होटल में आ जाए, सब कुछ आए, लेकिन हमारे ये कब्रिस्तान के पास टूरिस्ट भाग जाते हैं। So we are at least, relieved by tourists. Anyway, for an actor, as Mr. Grover was saying earlier on, I told him as a comedian, his is the toughest job. For an actor, somebody gives me the line, I say my lines, khatam, and my job is done. But Mr. Grover has to manufacture lines. He has got to understand what the audience want. It's a huge job. Being a comedian is the toughest job on earth. But the advantage of living next to a Kabristan is you can have a bhoot, a ghost writer. So I went to the graveyard and I said, "Bhai, please, all of you are experienced gentlemen." And I finally got a ghost writer to write a little piece for me as a welcome address. Okay, so this is it. Hari Om. Dear ladies and gentlemen, Garhwal Post today stands tall as a regional newspaper that gives due weightage to credibility in times when authenticity is greatly challenged. You are welcome to interrupt me at any point, and I will then force you to believe that what I've just said is true. The Garhwal Post's journey over the past 25 years has been a roller coaster one, during which the paper has survived commercial constraints, thanks to those who have believed us, the support of friends, contributors, sponsors, well-wishers, and advertisers. On this significant day in the life of the paper, commemorating its silver jubilee, the Garhwal Post family would like to fondly remember the late Vinod Mehta, a great human being and an eminent journalist who stood with the paper like the Rock of Gibraltar. He may not be present here physically today, but we believe that his spirit will always bless the Garhwal Post and Satish. Garhwal Post, as you all know, is the brainchild of Satish Sharma, who has had his fingers smeared with printing ink from his childhood. His father, Shri Upendra Kumar Sharma, published a Hindi weekly called Doon Dwar that became Satish's training ground. Later, a visit to the Times of India office in Delhi deepened his fascination for the printed word, and he resolved to set up his highly technological, successful printing press one day. Today, we can all see that the young man's dreams have eventually found fruition. After a fellowship at the International Institute of Journalism in Berlin, Germany, Satish started Garhwal Post as a news weekly in 1996. The paper made a slow beginning and gradually created its own niche. So I turn in my grave. There we go. जी नहीं 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 इधर बोलता हूँ. In the year 2, नहीं इसमें facts है ना, मेरा fiction हो जाएगा. In the year 2006, Garhwal Post was born in its new avatar, the Daily Garhwal Post. At a formal ceremony, the late Vinod Mehta launched the paper, and the rest, as they say, is history. It is a tough task today to remain afloat in mainstream journalism, but Garhwal Post has proved that tenacity of purpose, determination, and steadfastness can help achieve anything. Satish's reincarnation as an actor is another reason for celebration today. Besides journalism, he has been promoting Uttarakhand as a filming destination in India and beyond for the past 15 years. Today, he is well known as a dedicated activist whose efforts have helped open the doors for filmmaking in Uttarakhand. He has been acting in films and web series for the past 6 years. He has acted in around 20 Bollywood movies, 1 South Indian film, and 1 web series. He was in the news when he acted in the super-duper hit movie, well done, Sultan, with none other than Salman Khan. We are anxiously waiting for Satish's upcoming movies and web series, which include Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Tamannu's Starrer, Bole Churiyan, and Mithun Chakravarti's OTT debut in the bestseller She Wrote on Amazon. One of his movies and releasing shortly on Netflix once again. I will only add briefly, extempore, I have been living in Uttarakhand for 38 years. As a Bengali and living in Calcutta, I always subscribed to the paper, which very few people read today. It's called The Statesman. Even when I came to Mussoorie, I was the only subscriber to The Statesman. It came from Delhi, and I was the only one who subscribed. And then I discovered later this little attachment that would happen sometimes with the Times of India or the Indian Express, which was called the Garhwal Post. I was amazed at a few facts. First, its simplicity. Second, its honesty. Third, its correct English. It had fewer typographical errors than the Times of India and Indian Express. And then I found it to be a homely, friendly newspaper. I used to live in New York at one time, and there used to be a paper in Manhattan called The Village Voice, which has gone through a bad time now with the COVID pandemic. But The Village Voice was like the Garhwal Post. The Garhwal Post is a family newspaper. I knew everything about every school, about every family, about the children who were doing well, about young people who were achievers as sportsmen, as entrepreneurs, everything. It was Garhwal's newspaper. I congratulated Satish when I met him for the first time. It was a great privilege and an honor to meet someone who was an honest lover of his own people, projected through his paper, the Garhwal Post. So on the 25th anniversary, I congratulate him for sure, and I wish the e-launch every success. I know it'll be a very, very successful venture, and God bless him, and God bless everyone in the Garhwal Post team for what they're doing. And I welcome our new Chief Minister to Uttarakhand. May he also achieve all the success that Garhwal Post has. Hari Om.
Thank you. Thank you, Victor sir.